Well, we're getting ready for our Thanksgiving feast. We always do it the last Sunday in November. And we enjoy the tacchino di Pino. And there's Pino preparing the turkey. We have ordered 2 deboned turkey thighs from our wonderful butcher. And Pino is preparing all the ingredients he will use to baste that wonderful turkey. Rosemary and sage from our garden. And then he'll be grounding up garlic to add as well. Then he will add salt, pepper, marjoram, thyme, white wine, hot red pepper, our olive oil, Pino?
Yes.
Our olive oil. E come verrà, Pino?
Come verrà? Speriamo che verrà buono.
He hopes it will come out.
Se lo mangiano vuol dire che era buono.
Well, good. He said if people eat it, it must mean that it was good. Grazie, Pino.
Non c'è di che.
And now his Pino continues. He's grinding the garlic and grinding it right into the diced rosemary and sage. And he's grinding the rosemary and sage right in there with the garlic. Ecco. Quanto aglio metti, Pino?
10.
How many garlic cloves?
5 spicchi.
5 cloves, 5 spicchi will be added here. He's still grinding the rosemary sage. Pino is peeling the 5 garlic cloves. Wonderful, tasty garlic from our garden to add to the herbs. Some of the herbs, the rosemary and sage, and then he'll be adding other. Yep, 5 or 6 cloves called spicchi in Italian. And Pino has finished grinding up the garlic with the rosemary and the sage, and now he's adding our olio nuovo, our new olive oil. Pino, il sale hai aggiunto?
Sì.
And the salt has been added as well. Now is the time to add the vino bianco. Vino bianco locale, a dry white wine. And now let us see the goodness which is going to be used to baste the tacchino di Pino. He's going to give it a mix. Now it is salt, pepper, rosemary, sage, wine, olive oil, and also added hot red pepper. E timo e majorana? He added the thyme and marjoram too. We have some dried thyme and marjoram. Now he's preparing the pan for receiving the turkey breasts. And he's put a little drop of vinegar in there too. And Pino has added that drop of vinegar to make sure that pan is pristinely clean with no traces of anything in it. And now Pino is trimming the other deboned turkey thigh. Look at that good pure red meat from our wonderful butcher, Passeri, who buys his meats that he sells from local people. We are so lucky to have such a good butcher nearby.
Ascolta, quanto te ne serve?
And now he is basting
Quanto te ne
the
serve?
top. He amalgamates the goodness he's already whipped up. Rosemary, sage, thyme, marjoram, garlic, olive oil, white wine, and our extra virgin olive oil. With the lardo condito from the butchers of Assisi. That is the seasoned lard. Lard well seasoned with rosemary, and they probably put in other herbs. And now he is rubbing the thigh. And you're going to see them. I know he will rub both, but this is the rubbing of the thigh with all that goodness. Sarà un buon tacchino di Pino. It will be a delicious Pino turkey. And now I must finish the stuffing, so we're having a pause. Pino is adding tidbits of a pancetta. Pancetta nostra, Pino?
Yes, darling.
Yes, darling. Thank you, Pino. Our own pancetta or bacon. So next year you might want to come for the tacchino di Pino. And you see sausages here, Umbrian sausages. They're going into the stuffing as soon as I finish it. So I have to take a pause because I've added the celery, the bread. Now I'd like to add some white onion and fresh sage. Now I'm still working on my stuffing here, chopping the onion. I've chopped the sage. It can be a nice thick chop. It doesn't matter. And Pino is taking the sausage. He's taken them already out of their skins. And the sausage meat is going to be crumbled up and added to the stuffing mixture. So there's the breadcrumbs, the celery. Here goes the sausage mixture. He's added a little bit of that lardo condito or seasoned lard. And now in will go my sage and diced onion. And here comes the final phase of preparation. One deboned turkey thigh on top of the other. Generous stuffing between the two. Soon to be tied, popped into the oven, and we'll roast potatoes all around it in the wonderful juices of this tacchino di Pino. That tacchino has just come out of the oven. I have to be very quiet as Pino flips it over to brown it on the other side. And then back into the oven. And out of the oven will soon come the tacchino di Pino, which I'd actually like to call the Divino Tacchino di Pino. Have a look at the goodness.